Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo Y56 is responsive and you know which two apps you'll use. This saves backtracking. Open the primary app first so the system registers it. Once the app is active, swipe up with 3 fingers or tap the split screen icon in recent apps to trigger split mode. You'll see the app snap to the top or left. Now choose the second app from recents or the app drawer. This gives you immediate dual app control. Once both apps are visible, drag the central divider to resize each pane. You can aim for 1/2 or a 70/30 split depending on your task. If you prefer landscape or portrait, rotate the phone or tap the handle to change orientation and keep layout consistent. To swap which app sits on top or left, tap the swap icon or drag an app title across the divider. Make sure to save frequently if editing content in either app to avoid data loss. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge and the Y56 exits split screen, returning you to the single app, simple and clean. If an app freezes, force close it from recent and reopen in split mode. This clears transient glitches. Should split screen fail repeatedly, make sure apps are updated and reboot the phone. Persistent failures usually mean a system update is needed. If problems continue, check app permissions or uninstall recent apps that may conflict with split functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.